Hi, and welcome to our first music theory lesson. You're going to need to get a blank piece of paper, a ruler, and a pen or pencil. First, we're going to create our musical stave, and these lines are going to hold our musical notes. There's going to be 5 lines, and make them about 1 centimetre apart. Start from the bottom. Don't worry about being tidy. There's 3 lines, and the 4th, and the 5th. We're going to always count from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because that's how we're going to learn our notes. Then just finish it off with a nice line at the beginning. Now we're going to create what's called the treble clef. You start on the 2nd line. You work your way around, all the way up, do a twirl back down and then a 2nd twirl. Start on the 2nd line, work your way around, all the way up, twirl yourself around, all the way down and a 2nd twirl. Start on the 2nd line, all the way around, up and around and twirl. Around and up, back down and twirl. Let's try the last one. Around and up, all the way down and twirl. So now we've learnt that the 5 lines are called the stave, and we've also learnt how to draw the treble clef starting on the 2nd line. So now we'll create a 2nd stave, and we'll learn the names of the notes on the lines. Let's start with drawing our treble clef. Up and round, all the way to the top, down and twirl. Now the notes. The first one on the 1st line is called E. Let's do the 2nd one on the 2nd line, and this note is called G. On the 3rd line, this is called B. Then on the 4th line, it's a D. And on the last 5th line, an F. Now we're going to create another stave, and we're going to learn the names of the notes in the spaces. Draw another treble clef, round and up and down and twirl. Now here are the notes in the spaces. The first one is an F. The 2nd space is an A. In the 3rd space, draw your note, and that's called C. And the last space is called E. A good way of remembering the notes is to create a simple little sentence using the letters E, G, B, D, F. For example, elephants go bananas drinking Fanta. Why don't you create your own silly sentence to remember the notes? And for the notes in the spaces, what about this, a little rhyme? Face in the space. Hope you've enjoyed the first lesson, and see you next time.